Hi traders, here we are looking at the dollar Swiss trade based on the price and volume concept. I did go through this before, and this is how we took these two trades over here, which is running less than £3,000. It has now come back in our favor towards our target. I'm going to be explaining a bit more on why we took these trades and how we took it based on our price and volume analysis. This and more in this video. Alright traders, it's Tune Up on here, founder of MasterTheMarkets, Illiterates Conference and the Traders Open Day. So here we are on this trade on dollar Swiss. Just a quick recap on this trade on why we actually took this trade actually. So let's go and revisit it, and some of you have missed the previous video, go into more detailed on analysis on why we took the trade. But in a nutshell, basically what we were doing is we were looking for a daily bottom based on the SMI indicator, the smart money indicator, holding its bottom to become a weekly bottom. And to do that, not only did we use the smart money indicator, we also used the VSA volume spread analysis light indicator developed by Trade Guider. Okay, so Master the Markets over here, we developed the SMI, and together with Trade Guider, we caught this daily bottom holding on to becoming a weekly bottom. Okay, that's what I explained before, and that's how we took basically this trade, which is running a little bit less than £3,000 at the moment on both dollar Swiss and euro dollar. Those that were the concept on both of these trades.
If you're enjoying this video, go ahead and smash that like icon. If you haven't joined our channel yet, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you get notifications immediately when we post up quality content like this, and especially to get our live trading updates sent directly to your phone.
And basically where we took the trade was basically on this bar here, when we got a confirmation with the volume as well as the VSA indicator dot. So when we got the SMI dot connecting with the VSA dot, then we took the trade along with a volume confirmation spiking over here, as you can see, and we analyze that. Okay, so that's the whole methodology of knowing when that daily is going to become a weekly bottom. So we analyze this first on the weekly, which is what I mentioned before, and we actually entered, actually if you take a look over here, we actually entered on the 6th of Feb on this weekly bar over here, and we held on to that trade. So basically we took it around here, which I explained in my previous video. We took it around here, held it on for it to become a weekly bottom, which got confirmed by this bar, and from here, and I'm taking a 25 pip more from the confirmation bar, which I take it from this table here, from the SMI probability OE table, which we call it open equity table, which we have talked extensively before as well, on our previous video. So that's a 90% probability you'll get to 25 pips from the confirmation bar, weekly confirmation bar, which because I'm looking at a weekly time frame. And also, if you want to learn much more about this open equity and all this methodology, you can always look at it at our traderstarterpack.com. Okay, so that's traderstarterpack.com website. Let me just quickly just show that to you. If you want to take a look, you guys are more than free to go and get the free 5-day video course, which we explain over here on the open equity principle.
For those of you who are unsure of any of the terminology or the concepts in this video, watch our free Trader Starter Pack 5-day video course as shown in Empire Cinema. It is educational, entertaining, and covers basics and advanced content with cross-transferable principles for trading and investments. It pertains to both beginners and intermediate traders, all dedicated towards helping you achieve consistent performance. Go ahead and register for it on the link below.
Now, in terms of the volume principle, which we have combined here, which is what is helping us forward to take these trades, that is by Trade Guider. So, highly recommend you guys to go and check their website out as well. So, that would be tradeguider.com. Let me see if I get that right. There you go. That would be, I think, is that the right one? Let me just quickly just check. Trade Guider, and I think we will get it. Oh, here, there you go. Volume spread analysis, and there you go. That's the website that you can go through to look at their volume methodology. Now, in terms of that's how we took this trade, and it's nearly coming to hit our target at 9427 on dollar Swiss. Then just a quick recap on euro dollar as well, on how we took that trade as well. On euro dollar, same pretty much concept over here. What I'm taking a look is on the daily time frame, pretty much around the same time that we took on the 6th of Feb over here when we got the SMI dot confirmed with the VSA dot changing its direction along with volume analysis coming over here to support that down move, and then after that riding that move based on that daily top becoming a weekly top. Okay, and so we had that weekly top confirming much more later. If you take a look at the weekly um, time frame, 2 bars later, so this is almost where we got in. So let me just quickly show you that 6th of Feb, and then 2 bars later, 2 weeks later, we get a confirmation, and then after that, today we're going to take it a little bit more than 25 pips around there, and then we're going to exit that particular trade. Okay, so that's the whole rationale behind it, but in a nutshell, using the analysis of our smart money indicator dot along with the VSA dot, and then with volume combination of analysis, and then finally using our open equity tables to project the target on a weekly basis of 25 pips after the confirmation bar close. So after this point, adding 25 pips below that, and that's how we are riding this move over here, and our target being at 105.28 on euro dollar. Okay, we'll see how these trades plan out to be, and we'll keep updating you on them. And that's pretty much that from us on this video. And as we always say, till the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master.
If you want to get notified every time we put a video up, especially on our live trading update videos, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications icon. This will get the YouTube algos to kick in and for you to join us in our mission to spread the truth of trading further, so that traders like you can benefit from our videos to trade like a master, achieve consistent performance, and change lives.